Hello guys, I'm Advocate Sanjay Arya from Lexis and Company. Today I will be discuss about the duty of all the general lawyers to get their degree verified. The Supreme Court Forum Expert Committee to oversee verifications. Let's be start what the terms and condition what comes in the significant direction related to legal profession. The Supreme Court on Monday constituted a high-powered committee to oversee the process of verification of the degree certificate of advocates. The committee will comprise a former Supreme Court judge and two former High Court judges. Senior advocate Rakesh Davinda and Mahendra Singh were also named as member of the committee. The Bar Council of India will be at liberty to nominate three members to the committee. The names of the numbers will be clear once the final outer is uploaded. The bench comprising Chief Justice of India, Section Chief Justice P.S. Narasimha and Justice J.B. Pardiwal. The press asked this order after taking notice of roadblock in the process of verification of advocate. The committee has been asked to start work on a convenient date and to file a status report by the August 31st. The due verification of advocate registered with the State Bar Council is of utmost important to the safeguard the dignity and administration of justice. The bench observed in this order it is a duty of every genuine advocate of the country to ensure that they cooperate with the Bar Council of India and seeking to ensure that the certificate of practice are duly verified together with the underlying education degree certified. Unless this exercise is carried out periodically, this is a great danger that the administration of justice would itself be under a serious wood. The bench added in the order. The bench noted with the concern the statement of the BCI that lawyers without verification have become member of some state bar council and the such person may also have had judicially officer posted too. The bench insisted that access of judicial process cannot be granted to person who profess to be lawyer but do not have a genuine education qualification or degree clarified. Taking note of the difficulty encountered by the verification process due to the charges sought by the university in the verified degree certificate, the bench directed that all the university and exam board should verify genuineness of degree without carrying fees. In 215, the Bar Council of India has notified the BCI certificate and place of practicing verification due 215 to identify genuine lawyers who are actively litigant before the court and the winner. The rules were challenging before the various High Court and the case were ultimately transferred to the Supreme Court. The court passed the present order in the special file by the advocate practicing in the Supreme Court challenging the BCI direction issued in November 22 to State Bar Council, which the petitioner claiming had the effect of indirecting the verification process being undertaken by the Bar Council to securityness. The BCI chairman, senior advocate Manan Kumar Mishra, told that the bench that intention was not to stop verification but to ensure that verification was not done without verifying the validity and genuineness of degree certificate. Difficulty were encountered when university demanded fees to verify degree certificate. In this backdrop, the BCI suggests the constitutional of high-powered committee to oversee the verification degree. The bench also noted that the number of advocates we stood at the 16 lakh at the merit time. It's currently estimated to be 25 lakh as per the BCI statement. Out of 25, 7 lakh advocates, about 7.55 lakh former were received from the purpose of verified at 1.99 lakh declaration were received from the senior advocate. An advocate on record those the total number of forum received by the 9,22,000. From this figure, the bench inferred that the majority of advocates enrolled with the State Bar Council have no submitted their verification form. The VCI raised the apprehension that many lawyers who have not given the verification form are not qualified to practice law, and many are there is extradition purpose that such person have to be identified and be weeded out. And thank you so much guys. I hope you will be the like it after the know that key advocates need to the verify your the enrollment number day by day. Everyone know the lawyers increasing. And thank you so much. I hope you will be the like it, and please like and subscribe.